What's going on, guys? Welcome. This is Oscar. So, as predicted by many of us, yes, it's happening. Monday it is. The stock market has opened, and Bitcoin and many of the altcoins start coming down, baby. Once again, crypto.com is what we're going to be talking in this video. Take a look at Bitcoin right now. $33,000 has dropped at that level that I was mentioning, everybody. And that is one of the last ones because the ultimate level to beat is $29,000. Why? That is the lowest in 2021. If we break down the $29,000, you and I will be here for a long time in these bearish levels. But hey, when we zoom out, we buy the cryptocurrencies that we want, in this case, Coin and other different altcoins, and we're going to be fantastic. By the end of this video, I'll tell you the latest news and what we should do right now if you want to buy and have a lot of money with these cryptos. Go ahead, like, subscribe, turn on those notification bells, everybody. Let's go ahead and talk about CRO at this time, guys. Well, you're seeing here on the technicals and the chart. Oh boy, it's been a long time since we've been declining, as you can tell from the all the way top to November, almost end of November. Right now, it's the end of January, and well, finally we start to see some bottoms, passing the 78% retracement. Now we're looking at an 80% retracement from the top all the way to the bottom. 33 cents, almost very close to take a look at Bitcoin, right? $32,000. Now, why do I mention Bitcoin and QQQ, which is the NASDAQ, which encompasses a lot of the technology sector, because they are very correlated, and that's something we were talking before. And in this case, right now, crashing. It was going right here about Bitcoin, above the $34,000. Now finally crashing, because this is what Wall Street and all the hedge funds and all those type of investors wanna make us feel. Hey, panic. This isn't your thing, kiddo. Leave it for us. But basically what's happening is that if you're panic selling at these times, you're going to be giving them all your coins, and I don't want to do that. That's why I'm holding, guys. So at this time, the RSI, stochastic RSI, the MACD, every single indicator is absolutely down. I was looking at it, and there's just no way to see it or to go against that. So the best thing that we can do at this time, if you are looking at selling coin as well, are you on a profit? Because if that's the case, let's say if you bought it somewhere here, way before the pump, I think that will be a great idea, right? Because you are making money, and we don't know if it's going to go all the way down to the 100% retracement. At this time, it seems that it's consolidating at this level, everybody, which is at 33 cents coin. But based on what we looked right now, this week is going to be full of surprises for the entire markets, guys, the entire market. So definitely there could be a higher and a lower decrease in the entire cryptocurrency market. The fear is at a 13.10, and in the next update, I'm sure it could be less than 10, which is a first one in a long time. So that's what it is. If crypto.com continues declining, we're going to be losing the top 20 position. Right now it's at 20. So you can see from 13, 12, all the way down to 20. What does that mean? That a lot of people are selling off crypto.com, knowing that there's a bunch of holders that are right now, like me, trapped. In a way, because we don't want to sell it, right? Most of us, we just got into crypto a couple years ago. So we couldn't buy it at the perfect time, which was somewhere here. But it happens. You're not alone. Don't worry. What you should be worried right now is staking. Go to DeFi wallet. Do some DVS financial farming. Those are the things that I want you guys to think about, right? So don't panic. It's going to be fine. So you bought somewhere here. I would be probably taking a look at some of the profits, because if it continues going downhill, right, which at this time I can tell you that could happen, because of how we are just barely starting. Once again, QQQ dropping from the 400 highs all the way down to 343. This is the ETFs that I like to buy, by the way. And Bitcoin, well, once again, Bitcoin, it doesn't look like it's gonna stop decreasing at this time. New week, brand new crashes, and that's what we're looking at. This is how we started at $32,000. So, oh boy. Those are some of the technicals on this one. Let's go ahead and take a look at the market right now. I'm going to go ahead and rephrase it with 1.51, 1.52, still 1.52. We have to remember, it's still the top 10 look very nice. Dogecoin is still at 10, Solana is still at 8, but where's Coin? 20. So DAI, Cosmos, Polygon, Shiba Inu, Terra Luna, all of them already above us. And Coin was somewhere around 13 and 12 in the best case scenario, in the best days. in last year, now at 20. From the market cap at 8, still we can be at 20 for a while. I wouldn't consider seeing us less than 30 or so. I think 20, 22, or above 20 will be somewhere nice for Crocon based on all the retracement we already had. So Crocon, everybody, shouldn't worry at all. 13 fear. And on the Twitter account, there's one news that you guys have to know if you're in the space with Crocon, right? Tectonic. So what in the world is this? Well, a lot of people like this one because it goes along with VVS Finance. Very new one, very cheap one. Now you'll be able to buy Tectonic, definitely. Not telling you to buy it, but I don't have any Tonic. However, I do have VVS Finance, and I am still, buying what I can afford losing on these ones. Definitely in the long term, when we have another bull run, those are the cryptocurrencies that you would have wanted to buy very cheap, because at this times, definitely they're at a great position to get some open opportunities, and at the end of the day, see what they're going on. When it comes to Crocon, everybody, let's go ahead and take a look at the 4 hour and see, at the 1 hour, because I think that will be even better. I'm gonna go ahead and take all these drawings, and yep, here it is. Here it is, everybody. The update basically is right before on the 22nd. Right now is the 24th. Yes, we reached the low of 32 cents, and once again reaching a double bottom. So we're gonna create a head and shoulders. This is a nice descending, pattern. Double bottom right now, so it does seem that it's gonna keep popping, because as you know what the trading patterns are telling us. However, definitely you can even see right here how people are buying and selling. So that is exactly what a lot of people do, trading, right? They know that right here we have a support line. I'm gonna make it for you guys. Here it is, right about here, a support line of 32 cents. That's what a lot of people are going to be looking at this price of 34 cents. So now they're playing with pennies. So if you're into that, then welcome to Disneyland. This is a great place. But if you're not into that, at any point in time that you're buying at this level is a magnificent reward. I already have my positions on Crocon. I'm already staking, so I'm not really looking to add anymore at this time. But great price to buy in, to be honest with you. The biggest takeaway here, guys, is that I'm not selling anything. I'm still holding, and you and I will be very well off when we pass this bear crazy market, these crashes, this fear, this uncertainty. It's the beginning, so hold on strong, everybody, and at the end of the day, you and I will be fine for years to come. There you guys have it. That's my Crocon entire market view. We're barely beginning with the week. Everything's crashing. Not surprising. I'll see you next time, guys. Check my links down below for your free Bitcoin stocks. Check the Discord so you talk to me on my private community. Catch you later, guys. Peace.